So in this video, we will find for our tree matrix our cofactor. So in this case, we have to see our signs for our matrix. So that way we will put our equation. So first we have to get a point. In this case, we can set our zero by doing this and then this. This means we will get this times this matrix that is left on. So in this case, it will look something like 0 times 1. So like in this case we have minus, so it will be a minus. But in this case it's a 0, so we just don't get into it. So we just go on into our 5. So if we get 5, we have that it let us on minus 3, minus 1, 7, and 5. So we just put 5 in the matrix. That will be minus 3, 7, minus 1, and 5. This will be minus 3 times 5. That will be minus 15. So you put a minus between them. So you put minus 1 times 7. So it will be minus 7. So doing this, it will be a plus, minus 5 plus 7. It will lead us to minus 8. So multiplying minus 8 times 5, it will let us that is 40, minus 40, our first result. We just have to do the same for this. Then we will choose also this one. So in this case, we will start with the easiest. That will be k minus 1 times 2, 4, minus 5, k. And we just go on, and it will be minus because of our table of signs. So we just go on and on. So it will lead us to plus k minus 3 times our matrix k minus 1, 7, 5, k minus k plus 1 k plus 1, 7, 2, 4. So we have to do the same, just multiplying this minus this. So it will be minus k. This, we have this in our equation, so we just have to simplify this by saying that is k cubed minus 8 k squared minus 10k plus 95. So this is the simplification of all these equations. So in our final step, we see that it's a 4 times 4 matrix. So we'll just put our easiest column. So it will be this by choosing this one. By choosing this, we know that it's kind of the same, but we have to start times like 0 times 2, 2 minus 2, 4, 1, 0, 2, 10, and 2. So we're just gonna go on and on. So in this case, we can see it's a plus, so it just is a plus. So our next 0 will be a minus. Well, we just ignore this 2 because it's times 0, so it doesn't have any case that we just show that multiplication. So doing by minus 3, that will be plus minus 3 choosing it here, so we just know that it's 3, 3, 5, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 10, 2. So it will just look something like 3, 3, 3, 5, 2, 2, minus 2, 2, 10, 2. So what is the next step when we have this? We have to choose a number like in these problems before. So I will just choose the middle one between this one. So it will be 3 times 2, 2 minus 2, 2. Then we get this one, and it will be my plus, this is a minus, plus 2, 3, 2, 5, and 2. So we just have to do the same. So doing minus 3 and doing all these cofactor operation, it will lead us that minus 3 is equal to 128, and we have that this 3 right here that we didn't do, we just put plus 3, no, minus 3 is minus 48. So doing this multiplication and subtraction, we just lead us that all this result is minus 240. So this is the way to find the cofactors for each matrix. It doesn't matter the order we put it. You just put your easiest way to do it. So that's all for today.